If you send mail through Microsoft 365, here is how to authenticate your domain so it passes DMARC. 3 records do the work: SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. SPF first. Add Microsoft to your SPF record by including spf.protection.outlook.com and end the record in -all. Publish it as a single text record at your DNS provider. DKIM next. In the Microsoft Defender portal, enable DKIM for your domain. It gives you 2 CNAME records, Selector 1 and Selector 2. Publish both, then turn signing on. Now DMARC. Publish a record at the _DMARC name in your DNS. Start at p=none with a RUA address so receiving servers send their reports to you. Then verify. In your DMARC reports, check that both SPF and DKIM pass, and just as important, that they align to your domain. Aligned means the authenticated domain matches the domain in your from line. Once your Microsoft 365 mail is aligned and clean, ramp DMARC up. Move from p=none to p=quarantine, then to p=reject. Step up only when the reports stay clean so you never block your own mail. PhishFence checks your Microsoft 365 SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, gives you the exact records to publish, and signals when it is safe to enforce. Set it up once and stay protected. Start free at PhishFence.io.